Very good morning to all the students. Okay, students,
Good morning,
today,
ma'am.
very good morning. Students, today we'll be doing the topic from journalism. Okay, so the topic from journalism which we are going to start today is public relations. You know that every company, every organization working in an economy needs to maintain its goodwill. The goodwill or reputation of every company is very much necessary, right? So, for survival and growth, the company needs to maintain its public relations. For survival in the economy and for its growth, both financially and economically also. The company needs to maintain public relations. And now with whom the companies or the organizations need to maintain its public relations as the customers. The various customers who will rely on the company, on its products. If the company has its goodwill, or reputation, the customers will definitely rely upon it, right? The various companies which are very much famous, like if we talk about the cosmetic companies like Lakme, Maybelline, or if we talk about the various companies, IT sector, that is Tata, Ford, etc. So all these companies have their goodwill in the market. That's why the customers are attracted to the companies. If the companies do not have any goodwill or reputation in the market, will the customers will attract the company? No. The customers will not be attracted towards the companies. So for the survival and for the growth of the companies needs to maintain its public relationships. I hope the public relations meaning is clear to you, everyone. In order to maintain healthy relationships, the companies need to maintain the public relations. For a healthy environment and for a healthy relationship, the companies need to maintain its public relations with the customers and the various companies which would approach the company in the near future for some type of investment or for some type of merger or for some type of amalgamation. Right? So, to maintain the public relations, the companies need to adopt some public relations strategies. What are these strategies now? First of all, it is the owned media. Which type of media is this owned media? The companies follow this first strategy, that is owned media, to maintain proper public relationships, right? So owned media can be maintained through their own websites. The company XYZ can make their own website in order to advertise their product, in order to advertise their goods and services, right? So first one is website. The second one is catalog. Catalog. The company can issue their own catalog. In the catalog, the various services provided by the companies are mentioned in it, right? Then brochure. The number of pages depends according to the company's various services the companies are providing to the customers, brochures. Then the companies can advertise themselves through this own media. The next one is blogging. They can make blogs in order to influence their customers, right? These are the points of own media. Other than these points, the companies can make their own emails, right? Through email ID, the companies can mail about their products and services to n number of customers, right? Then social media platform. Right? Through social media platform, the company can maintain its public relationships. Then after owned media, there is paid media. Now, what is this paid media? This is that media which the company purchases after paying it. The companies maintain its goodwill after paying and purchasing a particular source of media, right? Suppose Google, Yahoo. These are paid medias. Is it clear, everyone? The next one is earned media. Now, what is earned media? This is the media in which you increases the reputation of your company by earning it naturally. How naturally? Because you deliver good products and services to the customers, right? You deliver qualitative products to your customers, right? With this, you earn your media, you earn your customers, you earn your reviewers. How? How the earned media helps in maintaining the public relations is by the reviews of the customers. Suppose you are an online company selling some accessories. If the quality you make is of very good one, and when you send that to the customers, when the customers receive it and they are highly satisfied with it, what they do is they go to your social site and they give their reviews about it, right? They say that the product is of wonderful quality, you must purchase it, and with your reviews, with your star rating, the other customers are also influenced and they also buy your product. I hope this is very much clear to you. These are the reviews and how you earn your media without any paying thing. When your followers increase, when do the followers increase, students? The followers increase and only when your product has very good weightage in the market. Is it right? When your product has a very good weightage in the market, your followers increases. It is a very natural process. But if the company is not providing good quality products, the products are of inferior quality and of very high rates, the company should make the product of qualitative nature and also reasonable so that the customers can buy it easily, right? If your product is of very good quality, then it's quite obvious your followers will increase on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. and etc. You know that there are a number of social medias, right? I hope this is all much clear to you all, right? So with this, your goodwill is, you earn your goodwill. You earn your reputation. Just what you have to do is you have to make a good qualitative product. You have nothing to do else. So the main thing of the companies, why they maintain the public relations is, the main aim is survival in the industry and their growth. It is not only linked with survival only, but it is also linked with growth. If you will deliver the products of qualitative nature to the customers, it's quite obvious, definitely you will receive profits. And when you will receive profits, it will make your survival easy in the industry, right? So these are the 3 PR strategies. These are the PR strategies. Strategy 1, 2, and number 3. Owned media, paid media, and earned media through your reviews, followers, and your comments. This is all about the introduction to PR, introduction to public relationships, which the companies maintain with the customers. The customers can be XYZ, the customers can be some other companies, the customers can be you and me who buy the product, the customers can be any XYZ company who wants to invest in the company, right? The company will have a brilliant goodwill. Every company wants to invest in the company. Is it clear to everyone? So with this, we'll start the topic for today. That is public relations. This was the basic introduction to the topic. Okay, students, so we'll start the topic. Introduction to public relations. What is public relations? Public relation involves the cultivation of favorable relations for organizations and products with its key publics through the use of variety of communication channels and tools. What are these communication channels, students? These are the channels through owned media, the paid media, or the earned media. These are the various communication channels from which you maintain the public relationships with the customers. Earlier, the public relations professionals, they work with the members of news media and they maintain a goodwill of their company and publicize it to the organization, right? So what happens today is, now the public relation is a broader term, right? It builds awareness and favorable image for a company or client within stories and articles found in relevant media outlets. Suppose the companies issues their brochures. The companies issues their outlets, right? And when the outlets, the brochures, the customers receive all their brochures and outlets, they get influence with the company, right? With this, the company maintains its goodwill. Closely monitoring numerous media channels for public comments about a company and its products. So the various channels, the various websites, the companies are making. Why the companies are making the various website students? In order to influence the customers, in order to gain the customers, right? Then managing crises that threaten company or product image. When the goodwill of the company is maintained, the crises are solved naturally. How the crisis or the financial problems are solved naturally? Because the company has already a goodwill in the market, right? And the product is not threatened with the various competitors in the market. Building goodwill among an organization's target market through community. Yes. And special programs and events. So the companies make its goodwill. What is the target of the companies? The main target is the community, the customers, the people who are buying the products, right? So they are definitely influenced by the company when the company has its proper goodwill in the market. The next topic is objectives of public relations. What are the objectives of public relations? As I've already told you students that the companies, for their growth, for their survival, they need proper public relationships, right? What are the objectives of maintaining public relationships? Why the companies needs to maintain their relation with the public? Building product awareness. First of all, in today's times, you know that through media, the companies are promoting their products, right? The companies are promoting their products and the customers are getting influence from the reviews and the comments, because the persons of the customers who have used the product, they give their quality comments and reviews, right? And moreover,